Hi, are you feeling overwhelmed with the mess at home and need an extra hand? Well, hiring the right cleaning service can make all the difference. So just watch the video to learn my top tips on hiring a reliable home cleaning service. Hi, I'm Sergio Garcia, realtor with the GarciaSHomeS team, and as a realtor, I have seen how important it is for homeowners to keep their properties clean and well maintained. So whether you're prepping your home for sale or just looking to keep things tidy, hiring a professional cleaning service can save you time and stress. But how do you choose the right one? Well, let me share some tips with you today. So first and foremost, it's essential to discuss expectations up front. So make sure to understand what specific services will be provided. Will they handle deep cleaning or is just basic maintenance? Are they bringing their own supplies? And of course, you'll want to know what they charge for these services. So clear communication here prevents surprises later on. Next, you should inquire about their crew. A trustworthy cleaning service should have experienced staff. So don't hesitate to ask how long the cleaners have been with the company and whether background checks are conducted. This is particularly important if you are not going to be at home during the cleaning. And last but not least, do your due diligence. Ask for client references and take the time to read reviews online. This will give you a sense of their reputation and reliability. Also, ensure they have proper insurance coverage to protect against any accidents or damage that might occur while they're working in your home. Now, finding the right cleaning service can take a bit of effort, but it's worth it for the peace of mind it brings. So, if you are looking for a professional cleaning service, just give us a call or send us a message. We'll be happy to provide you with a list of our favorite ones. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. As always, the GarciaSHomeS team helps you with your real estate needs. Have a great day.